Welcome back to the channel, tiny house enthusiasts and alternative living fans. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at an absolute marvel in the world of downsizing that proves you do not have to sacrifice comfort or style to reduce your footprint. If you have been searching for the perfect balance between the simplicity of tiny living and the conveniences of a conventional home, you need to see this. We are exploring the gorgeous Raven Outlook, a spectacular park-model tiny home that completely redefines mobile luxury with its breathtaking design and full-size residential features. Unlike traditional tiny houses built on wheels, the Raven Outlook is a park model, meaning it is professionally built to strict ANSI codes while offering significantly more space and enhanced livability. Measuring an impressive 35 feet long and 11 feet wide, this beautiful home provides nearly 400 square feet of main floor living space. It is perched on a heavy-duty 5-axle trailer and finished in a striking green James Hardie board and batten siding, perfectly complemented by bold black accents and a sleek black metal roof. However, the true showstopper on the exterior is the massive geometric bay window at the front, adding incredible architectural depth while flooding the interior with natural light. Stepping inside, the sensation of space is immediately apparent. The living room is wonderfully open, taking full advantage of the large 8-window bay to connect you with the surrounding outdoors. Moving further in, you'll find a cleverly designed central kitchen featuring angled cabinetry to maximize your workspace. It comes fully loaded with residential appliances, including a full-range oven, a large refrigerator, and a beautiful stainless steel farmhouse sink. The designers even managed to squeeze in a highly luxurious bathroom that boasts a massive 60-inch bathtub with a stunning tile surround. At the rear of the home, a completely private bedroom awaits, easily accommodating a comfortable queen-size bed and featuring double closets for all your storage needs. For those needing even more space, there's an optional loft. With a starting price of around $95,000, which includes local delivery, the Raven Outlook is a magnificent choice for full-time living or a luxurious vacation getaway. Let us know what you think of this incredible bay window design in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tiny home tours.